Batam is just 45 minutes away. Here's a step-by-step guide to book your ferry ticket the right way. Step 1. Visit the Horizon Fast Ferry website and select your trip. Open your browser and go to horizonfastferry.com.sg. This is the official website where you can book your ticket in advance to secure your seat. On the homepage, select whether you need a round-trip or single-trip ticket. If you're planning to return to Singapore, booking a round-trip ticket is the most convenient option. Next, choose your departure and arrival terminals. Under Departure, select Singapore HarbourFront. Under Return, choose Batam Harbour Bay. Use the calendar tool to pick your departure and return dates. Then select your preferred time slot. If you're traveling on weekends or public holidays, book early as tickets may sell out. Step 2. Enter passenger information. Fill in your full name, passport number, nationality, and contact details. Double-check your details to ensure they match your passport for check-in. Step 3. Proceed to payment. After reviewing your booking details, click Next to proceed to payment. You can pay using a credit or debit card or through paynow for a quick and secure transaction. Once payment is successful, you'll receive an e-ticket via email. Save a copy on your phone or print it out for check-in. Step 4. Check-in at HarbourFront Center. Arrive at HarbourFront Center at least 60 minutes before your ferry departs to allow time for check-in and immigration clearance. Go to the Horizon Fast Ferry counter and show your e-ticket to collect your boarding pass. Step 5. Board the ferry and enjoy the journey. The ferry ride takes about 45 minutes to reach Harbour Bay Ferry Terminal in Batam. Once you arrive, clear immigration and you're all set to explore Batam. And that's it! You've successfully booked your ferry ticket and are ready for a smooth trip to Batam. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips. Subscribe to NBS Travel for more tips. Safe travels!